In a quaint village nestled in the mountains, there lived a curious young woman named Ilara. Ilara had always felt a deep yearning for something beyond the ordinary, a longing for a higher purpose. One day, while exploring the forest that bordered her village, she stumbled upon an old, weathered book hidden beneath the roots of an ancient oak tree. The title read, "The 12 Hidden Spiritual Laws." Intrigued, Ilara took the book back to her small cottage and began to read. As she delved into its pages, she discovered the profound wisdom of the 12 spiritual laws. 1. The Law of Unity. This law taught Ilara that all things in the universe are interconnected, and by recognizing this unity, she could find harmony within herself and with others. 2. The Law of Abundance. Ilara learned that the universe was abundant, and by embracing gratitude, she could attract abundance into her life. 3. The Law of Karma. This law revealed that her actions would echo through time, and by living with kindness and integrity, she could shape her destiny. 4. The Law of Forgiveness. Ilara discovered that holding on to grudges only weighed her down, and forgiveness was the key to liberation. 5. The Law of Manifestation. With this law, she understood that her thoughts and beliefs had the power to shape her reality. 6. The Law of Attraction. Ilara realized that like attracts like, and by focusing on positivity, she could draw positive experiences into her life. 7. The Law of Divine Order. This law showed her that everything had a purpose and a place in the grand design of the universe. 8. The Law of Dharma. Ilara uncovered her true life purpose and how living in alignment with it would bring fulfillment and joy. 9. The Law of Detachment. She learned that by releasing attachment to outcomes, she could find inner peace. 10. The Law of Gratitude. Ilara understood the power of gratitude in attracting more of what she was thankful for. 11. The Law of Resistance. This law revealed that resistance only brought suffering, and by accepting what was, she could transcend it. 12. The Law of Divine Love. Finally, she discovered that love was the highest force in the universe, and by radiating love, she could heal herself and the world. As Ilara delved deeper into these laws, she transformed. Her village noticed her newfound wisdom and inner peace. They too were drawn to the hidden realm of ancient wisdom, and slowly but surely, the knowledge of the 12 spiritual laws began to spread throughout the world. People embraced these laws, and a global shift towards greater unity, love, and understanding began. The world transformed into a more harmonious place as the wisdom that had been hidden for so long was finally revealed. And so, the story of the 12 spiritual laws became a legend, reminding all that profound wisdom and enlightenment can be found in the most unexpected places, waiting to be uncovered by those with open hearts and curious minds.